What's up, everybody? Chef Seymour here, and today's dish that we will be preparing is surf and turf. The things that you will need to make surf and turf are steak, shrimp, spinach, some onions, some potatoes, butter, heavy cream, salt and pepper, blackened seasoning, cream cheese, some compound butter, and some milk. Now you all might be wondering, what do we need butter, heavy cream, and cream cheese and milk for? Well, guess what, y'all? We're gonna make cream spinach with our surf and turf. No surf and turf is complete without sides, so I have taken the liberty to boil some potatoes beforehand, and now we're gonna take them out and put them in a bowl. Now that our potatoes are done, it's time to jazz them up, so I'm gonna take 3 tablespoons of butter, and a half cup of milk. Then I'm going to take my masher and mash it all up, and then we're gonna take the spoon and mix it all up. Now let's season our steak. So all you need to season with a good steak is some salt and pepper. Now let's cook our steak. Right here I have some compound butter, and this is what compound butter is. Compound butter is butter mixed with garlic and herbs. So now we're gonna place our steak in. Let's get our compound butter. If you notice, I'm using a cast iron skillet. And y'all may think I'm too young to know what a cast iron skillet is, but I like to go old school. Anyway, let's get down to our cream spinach. So what you want to do is get a handful or more of spinach and place it in boiling hot water for 30 seconds. It's been 30 seconds, so let's take our spinach out and put it in a skillet with butter. Now that our spinach is starting to cook, we can add some onions for a taste. Now that everything is cooking, we can finally add our cream cheese and heavy cream. So what I have here is 4 ounces of cream cheese and then 1/4 cup of heavy cream. So let's put those in our skillets. And then you want to mix. Now let's prepare our surf portion of the meal. So here I have some pre-seasoned shrimp, and I've taken the time to season it with blackened seasoning. Now that we're done, it's time to indulge. Let's try our steak. That is some good steak, y'all. Try the shrimp. Not too spicy. Now let's try our spinach. Nice and creamy. Finally, the potatoes. Nice and creamy. I want to thank y'all for joining me on today's episode. I love y'all, and I'm out.